Hello, welcome back! Today I'm here to talk to you about present perfect. I know, it's so confusing, right? It's actually not confusing at all. The problem is that when people learn present perfect, they learn it from a book or they learn it from a teacher explaining present perfect like it's some sort of equation, okay? So there is a line and it says past and then present perfect in somewhere in the middle, and it's like totally confusing for someone to understand. And I was thinking about why it was so easy for me to learn present perfect. It's one of the first things I learned in English when I moved to England, okay? Why was it so easy? Well, it was easy because I did not learn it from a book. I did not learn it from a teacher, from an English lesson, from an English class. I learned it from people talking to me and using present perfect with me. And it made sense in my head and I started using it too. So I was thinking about a very easy way to make you understand the idea of present perfect. And I say the idea because you probably still struggle a little bit. And that's okay. It takes time, if you're not practicing English every day, to really understand and to really be able to use it. So don't worry about it, okay? I was thinking about the last World Cup 4 years ago and everything that has happened in my life during those 4 years. And I'm going to give you some facts that happened in my life during those 4 years. So, since the last World Cup, I have had 2 children. Yes, yeah, crazy times. I have also moved to Brazil. So I left England and moved to Brazil. I have actually, I feel this, I'm not sure it's true, but it's how I feel. I have become a better teacher. You know, I have been a teacher for 10 years, but I feel that since the last World Cup, I have really improved on the way I empathize with people. I think that when you become a mom, your sense of empathy somehow increases, and you know, I think this has happened with me. So I have become a better teacher during this time. And something else that has happened since the last World Cup, I have created this channel. Actually, I'm going to leave a link to this video. This video here is my very first video that I uploaded. And this happened just before the World Cup started. Yeah, so it's been 4 years since I created this channel. There you go. So you see, so much happens in our life, and I'm talking to you about 4 years ago, which is in the past, but I am kind of relating this to the idea of the present because the World Cup is happening again now. So it is the past. Present perfect is a sentence in the past, okay? It's just that grammatically is different to sentences we use in Portuguese, but it is a sentence in the past. It's just that it connects with the present. You know, it has something to do with the present. Something to do, this is an expression, stop translating this, oh goodness, no. It has something to do with the present means it relates to the present, and that's it. It's actually very simple. So try doing this exercise with yourself. Ask yourself, what have I done since the last World Cup? What has happened in my life? What has changed in my life? I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, remember to click on like, leave your comment, share with your friends and subscribe for more, and I'll see you on Thursday. Thank you for watching.